Hey guys, it's a big forehead girl. This week we are still working from home, as you all know. Um, I've noticed while working from home, there are things that I truly hate, which is my sofa. It's a sofa that came with the flat, which I'll show you a picture of right here. It is so bad. I've tried washing it and stuff like that. It's just made the stuff I used to wash just made it look even more dirtier. So I didn't notice how much I hated it. Like I usually just put a throw over it and then sit on it, and I've been used to doing that since I moved in, which is like now 2 years ago, and I literally hate it. So what I've decided to do is I will create things like pillowcases. So now I've never made pillowcases before. Okay, so don't hold me onto this because I've never made pillowcases before. So I'm just going to see how it goes. I am going to put the person who I did see make it pretty well. Her way of explaining was pretty good. I'm going to put it in the description below. Um, yeah, just don't know. I'm just going to just try things I've never done before. For example, this is one thing I've never really done before, which is YouTube pages. And I hate my voice being recorded, so that's one thing ticked off. Another thing ticked off is I'm going to make pillowcases because I really need to cover this horrible sofa and have to deal with it until I move out. And hopefully the next place I choose is going to be an unfurnished place, or is chosen for me, depending on how it goes. Yeah, let me know what you think and check it out. I'm going to show you now. So I thought I'll show you again the sofa, how it looks like before. Ugh. And here are the three pieces I cut out. The one big piece, which is 13 by 14, and two little pieces. So I just basically cut that in half by added 2 extra inches for the fold. I then ironed it out because it just makes it a little bit easier for you to sew and to lay it down. This fabric is actually a fabric I used for an outfit that I made a few years back, so I didn't purposely go out and find any fabrics. But if you are going to buy any fabrics, buy something that's a little bit heavy, so that it's easier to sew and can hold properly on the actual pillow. I then started to iron down one side of the back panels. This is for the hemming. It does make it easier to hold down when you are sewing these hems down. It's going to be the opening of the actual envelope. It makes it nice and tidy and easier to hold down because it doesn't become a bit stubborn when you are sewing down. I then place the fabrics against each other, so making sure that the outside is facing in on both sides. Just lay it down there. Pin the sides down on each side, which I'll show you soon. I did notice that the measurement was a little bit off, but seeing as this is just a test, I didn't bother stopping. I continued. So as you can see, I pinned it all the way around. And you can see the opening there. Then I started to sew, making sure that I leave at least half an inch on the edge of each side. When turning over, make sure you leave the pin in, so you just pivot it around. And I did forget to show you that I hemmed the inside first before I sewed around the edge, so just thought I'll show you now. And then you can start cutting off the edges. This makes it a little neater when you open it inside out, so it doesn't create a big bulge on the corners. And this is how it looks now. Doesn't look too bad. I was actually quite impressed considering the mistakes around the part here. This it actually doesn't look too bad. So I've made some more using other fabrics as well. So that is the finishing look. I hope you like it. If you have any other tips of what else I can do or what else I can try, let me know. I'm just gonna use things I have at home, and when I have time maybe order online, but I have no idea how long the postage is going to work when it comes to ordering. But yeah, what is that noise? Can you hear that? Anyways, I'm going to put some pictures up on my Instagram, but and let me know what you think. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like the video, share. If you don't like it, still share, and let me know what you think. Bye.